Hello everyone. Today I am going to unbox and review the Epson projector. This projector I have purchased from Flipkart. For the complete specifications and price, you can visit the link given in the description of this video. Now let's unbox this and check what are the features of this projector. Let's open and check what are the items inside this. This is the remote control. Power cord. USB cable for connecting this to laptop or desktop. This is the VGA cable. Now this is the actual projector unit. This comes in a nice carry case. Now check what are the other items inside the box. These are the various manuals. Now keep the box aside. This is the projector. In the front side we have one sliding door. This gives protection to the lens. When the sliding door is opened, then only we can switch on the projector. If it is closed, this can't be turned on. Here a grill is there, provided with a fan to dissipate the heat generated at the bulb. That is the location of the bulb. A sliding knob is there at the bottom. Using this, we can keep the projector at an angle to project this comfortably onto a wall at some height. On the right hand side, here we have the air filter. Periodically we can clean the filter. On the back side, here we have to insert the power cord. And this is the facility for Wi-Fi dongle. For this, separate Wi-Fi dongle is required, that is available in online, or you can purchase it from Epson store. This is USB type B connector. This is provided in the box. Using this we can connect easily to the laptop or desktop. These are the AV connectors. You can easily connect this projector to audio player or DVD player or any setup box using these AV connections. Here we have the receiver for the remote and a built-in speaker. This is HDMI port. This is VGA port. Okay, these are the facilities available in this projector. Now the projector is connected to the HD setup box using the HDMI cable. Now observe the display. This display quality is good even in the lighting condition. You can check tube light is on. In the lighting condition, display is good now. Now light is off. Without lights, now you check the display quality. Now display is much brighter. This is the HD channel. This is not a HD channel, so this is quite suitable for HD channels. Now I have connected the laptop to the projector using the HDMI cable. Now I will play a full HD video song from YouTube. Then you can see the quality of projection. This is the display when lights are on. This is the display when lights are off. This audio is from built-in speaker of the projector. This is the quick review of the Epson projector. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.